Hey guys, welcome to Heart Academy for January 3rd, 2017. Welcome back from winter break, and I'm glad to see you guys all today. And I'm actually in class today right now in advisory. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Whoa. Well, that totally made it sound like I'm a boring teacher. They know they're more real than that. Okay, let's do that again. Cut! Here we go. So we're going to start with this first problem right here. Those who are working on the multiplying decimals for their homework. I'm going to start with your first problem, which is this side. So I have 1, 4, 2, 7. Let me turn the music off before YouTube bans me. 1,427.47 times 14.54. Here it is. Okay, so the method I've been using in class is I look for anchors and balloons. All your bottom numbers are what I consider anchors. You know, anchors are the tiny little weight thing that holds all the balloons down to the ground. And don't make fun of my drawing. Do not make fun of my drawing. Okay, look at that. So this is my bouquet of balloons, you know. So the anchor is a little thing that holds the balloons down. So bottom numbers are anchors. My first anchor is a 4. And what I like to think is that all of these are balloons. So you're going to connect all of these numbers to 4 by multiplying. Okay? So that's like a string. There's a string connecting to the 4. String, 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 and a string. You get the idea. So now you can see that my first math question, my first multiplication question is 7 times 4. Okay? Because all I have to do now is take a look at the strings. What is 7 times 4? I don't know. Somebody? Multiplication starting about?
28.
Thank you. 7 times 4 is 28. So your 8 comes down, carry your 2. Your next multiplication problem would be what? Somebody tell me what this one is. Class?
4 times
16.
Yeah, 4 times 4 is 16, but don't forget to add the 2. 18 it is. Okay. And our next multiplication problem would be
4 times 7.
4 times 7, which is 28, plus 1, 29. I hear you, Nick. That's right. That's Nick Parker. His address is.
Whoa.
Oh. Hey, Maya, how you doing? All right. So wait a minute. Let me do this one. So because I got lost where I am. So that's 28 plus 1 is 29, right? And so now we're doing 2 times 4, which is 8, 9, 10. Is that what you got? Is everybody with me on that? No?
Oh, we're not doing it.
And she's going to answer my questions. Oh, hold that thought for pause. So, here we go. I see a bad glare on my glasses. It's all good. Now, about being beautiful. Okay. So, I don't know about you guys, but I like to get rid of my carryovers, because if I don't, it's going to confuse me when I do the next anchor. Okay. So now, I'm going to have... I'm sorry. Cut! So, that was funny. Thank you, Nick. He was okay. He was just turning on the light, and it just beamed in Summer's eye. Okay, let's do our next one. My next anchor is a 5. But remember, with each row, you need to place zeros for place value, right? So my first connection will be the 7 times 5, and that is, what, 35? Right? And then I have, hey! So now, 7 times 5, that gives our 35, and then I'm going to do the 4 times 5, which is 20, plus 3. That gives me 23. My next one is 7 times 5, and that's 35, plus 2, that's 37. My next one, 2 times 5, 10. I hear you, Nick. Plus 3, 13. Y'all hear him? There he is. And the next one, I got 4 times 5, which is 20, plus 1. That gives me 21. And the last one is 1 times 5, which is 5, 6, 7. So your second row should look like that. Who needs a sheet?
Here.
Who?
Here.
Oh, okay.
And color.
Cool. So now, my music video popped up.
We need 2 copies.
You got it. Give me a sec. So here we go. Sorry about that. We are now. So now, I'm going to erase my carryover so it doesn't confuse me. And now I'm going to do my next anchor. My next anchor is going to be, my next anchor is going to be the 4. Okay? So, before I begin, I need to add 2 zeros this time. Okay. So now I have 7 times 4. By the way, I think I finally memorized that 7 times 4 is 28. My class is proud of me. Ain't that right, guys?
Yeah. Sure.
They love me. Don't let them fool you. So now, my first balloon, 7 times 4, 28. And then I have 4 times 4, 16, plus 2, 18. And then another 7 times 4, 28, plus 1, 29. And my next ring is 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 2 is 10. My next ring is 4 times 4, which is 16, plus 1, 17. And my last one, it looks like is 1 times 4, which is 4, plus 1 is 5. The 5 should be hanging off. Excuse me. I have to eat. My sister's got to eat. Okay? I'm just saying. That's summer. I love her. It is summer, spring, winter, and fall. You do. I love all my children. I miss them. That's Maya. She knows she has my heart. But Sammy's original gangster. She's been with me since last year. Fuck. Ain't nobody saying that's my girl. All right, now let's go to our last row. We have one more anchor, and I will do brown. Okay. So I'm first going to get rid of these because they confuse me. If I don't get rid of them, how many zeros am I going to add this time?
3.
You go, girl. That's right. Okay, I hear you, ladies. And then, are you good? Maya trying to sneak out, like she trying to disown me or something. Like she don't belong to me. I love you too. Did she say just kidding?
Yeah.
You got an A. Just kidding. Okay, this last number was a 1, right? Okay, so now I'm going to anchor my 1. I have 1 times 7. 7. 1 times 4. 4. 7 times 1. 7. 2 times 1. 2. 4 times 1. 4. And a 1 times 1. 1. Let me give you a moment to catch up on that. Okay? So I'm glad that was a 1 because, you know, it looks kind of messy up here with all my strings and whatnot. But now we can add.
We started throwing balloons on the anchors after the 4.
I know, right? So the balloons look like they're upside down. Yes, sir. Okay, you can hold on to it. Okay, I hear you. All these up already?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
That's yours.
How's that start?
Hey, how you doing?
She's recording.
Add them all up. Sammy, what did you get when you added all up?
I got
8.
2, 0, 7, 5, 5, 3, 2, 3.
Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You said 3, right? Okay, that's 10. That's 10. That's 18, 19, 20, 21. I got 21 right here.
Yeah.
Okay. So 8, 9, 10, 17, plus 7, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I got a 4 right here. Anybody else? Okay. So 24 for that one. And then I have, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I got a 25 right here. I hope I'm doing this right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8, 7, 8, Oh, that's 14, 15, 16, 17, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and a 2. Now, so this part, Sam has got the hard part knocked out, right? The where to place the decimal, you look at it like this. Look at your two numbers, right? How many places after the decimal do you have here? 2. How many here? 2. That's 4 altogether, right? So start here and jump 4. 1, 2, 3,
Okay, thank
4.
you. I'm good.
You got it? I'm so proud of you, sweetheart. All right, I'm going to do the next one. Unless Summer has a question. Summer, do you have a question about your work? Oops.
Here.
I got you, Tommy. Right there. Alrighty. We're going to go and do this one. Alright now. So now I have 44.99 times 55.5. That was a bad looking 5. I can redo that. Remember, in multiplication, your decimals do not have to line up. Okay?
Underneath that problem, the answer under the problem.
That's fine. Okay. So now I'm going to look at my first anchor, which is a 5, and I'm going to multiply. Hi, how are you? Oh, okay. We love you anyway. All right. So now, 9 times 5, 45. Another 9 times 5 here is 45 plus 4. 5 for 6%, 48, 49. Four times 5 is 20 plus 4. That gives me 24. Another 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2, 22. This is your first row. Tommy, with me? No problem. You don't have to stay with me if you don't want to. I'm just, yeah, if you wanted to be here.
Nobody else is staying with you.
Right. I'm going to get rid of my carryovers up here. I'm going to go to my next anchor. All right. 0 for place value. Don't forget the 0 for place value.
Isn't it 2 zeros?
1 0, and then it goes 2. Then it's 3. Then it's 4. So always start with just 1. Good question. That question was brought to you by Nick Parker. Nick lives there. Here we go. So, next I have my next anchor. So I have 9 times 5, another 45. Good thing I know my 5s. And then this was another 9 times 5, which is 45 plus 4, 49. I'm seeing a pattern here. And this one, another, well, this one is 4 times 5 is 20, plus 4 is 24. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2, 22. That's the second row. Yeah,
Shouldn't it equal the same thing? Oh wait, but the 0.
right, so everything's going to shift over a little bit. So, I'm going to get rid of my anchors. Or these, excuse me, carryovers.
So 2 zeros.
Yes, the next row is 2 zeros. So I got a 0
I'm sorry, but
and a 0.
if we erase our top anchors, how do you know if we did it or not?
Because your numbers should match mine down here.
No, but like, how do you know we actually did it? If we take out the top anchors.
Well, the top, those are the carryovers, like, oh, like it was 18 over here, those are the carryovers. So I erase the carryovers every time, right? And then, so I have this last 5. So, yeah. 9 times 5, another 45. Oops, I was about to do that backwards. Almost about to go. 9 times another 5 again, 45 plus 4 is 49. That's 20 plus 4 is 24. 20 plus 2, 22. And it repeated again. Now all I have to do here is add. Okay. That's 5, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.